So, you got an Action 4 camera? Yes, indeed. And you just got a transmitter of a DJI wireless mic too? And you want more? Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. DJI wireless mic 2. Oh man, just got a beautiful update recently. People are complaining because now it has a 15-minute auto off. They want their Action 4 to have control of the transmitter. Well, maybe we could ask DJI to give us a little bit more control in an application that you can set up your transmitter than just buying a receiver transmitter kit. You can complain all you want, and you can make requests all you want. Give you the feature, the function, the setting, because they want you to buy the receiver transmitter kit. If you just got the transmitter alone, yeah, we're all out of luck. I hate to say that. We're all out of luck. I gave up asking for a video timer when we have a photo timer. Oh yeah. It's just like you ask for something and you want it. You're not gonna get it. You're gonna cry. The manual thing, turn on, turn off, don't work. You know what? They could say, long press the button, turn on the camera, and then the microphone will be on manual off. How hard could that be to make? Something like me kicking this soccer ball in your face. Don't fall, Fish. Don't fall, Fish. I can't kick it. NASA, we're ready for takeoff. 3, 2, 1. How are they going to find that ball? Yeah, if you can't have fun in life and want what you want, then what are you going to do? Cry all the time? I'm going to put the ball in the center of the field. Let me go get the ball. Here we go. The ball got no air. That's why it don't fly. Well, you want to get air going, you're going to have to try. What you're going to have to do is say, hey, DJI, we all want a longer auto off and a manual. Post down below. Let's try. Let's get lift. I knew I could do it. So I got lift on the ball. I just had to get a little bit more underneath it. Meaning, just deal with what you got until later on. If you don't want just the transmitter, go get the receiver transmitter. Spend a little bit more and get what you want. Like Mick Jagger said, you can't always get what you want, but you try sometime. Yeah. Try sometime. The apple tree, all cut apart, down, short, trimmed. And man, it's gonna be fully grown before you know it. More apples. Well, I'm finishing my vlog. And I got nothing more to say on this one until I see you on the next. Happy trails to you till we meet again later.